So I'm trying iAd Producer to create a widget. It's the first time I've played with it, and I have a lot more to learn about how to use it. But I'm going to create a two-page widget. On the first page, I'm going to add an HTML object, and then I'm going to get the video for greatest common factor and embed the video into this HTML object using an iframe. So I'm going to get the embed code from the YouTube video. As you can see, this brings the video in to display. And then I'm just going to go into my inspector and then to layout and make the HTML object the appropriate width and height. And after I've done that, I'm just going to center it on the top part of the page because I plan on adding some instructions and a button that gets me to my formative assessment, which will be on page 2. So I'm dragging down a text object, and into the text object I've just put some instructions of what I want the students to do. I'm going to create a second page. I'm going to leave it blank for now, and I'm going to go back to page 1 and add a button to the bottom part of the page. And again, when I'm done, I'll rename the button, reposition it, and give it some interaction so that when you click on the button, it takes you to page 2. So I've got page 1 set up, and I've gone over to page 2. And in page 2, I'm going to embed the Examview formative assessment that I had previously uploaded to my G drive. Once again, I'm going to center the HTML object and then double click on it and add the iframe code for the location of the Examview quiz. iAd Producer allows you to test the widget out. First time you preview it on device, it'll download an app called Widget Tester. Then, when you preview it, it'll let you open the widget up. I've flipped over to Reflector so I can show you what it looks like on my iPad. And I can try the different buttons. Notice that I have a misspelling and modify anything I might want to do before I actually create the widget.